Hey everyone, so how are you all? I hope you all are doing fine. So I welcome you all to another live session and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Doctor and Forex Trader. So as you all be knowing now, we regularly trade NAS 100 live here and we are trying to pass a $10,000 funded challenge, right? We are conducting live sessions and the motto behind this channel is to provide you the real essence behind what is real trading, okay? So without wasting much time, let's move to the screen. Now you will be seeing the charts. First we'll make the analysis, then we'll talk regarding other things. Okay. So I hope my screen is visible to you and my voice is very much clear to you. Okay. So let's start the session. As you all know, I start with the recap. So yesterday we took this trade. We just missed one confluence and that made us pay the price and we hit the stop loss. Although 1 is to 1.5 was hit, but I was thinking to get it, further long, but market was not in our favor and we had a stop loss of around $100. That is 1%. Okay, so this was the trade recap and this is our dashboard. This is the loss that we took yesterday, $100. So now our capital is again 10,334. I think this is the exact point where we started this week. So currently again we are at same price, right? So this is the total week scenario till now. On 26th we took our first trade of this week. We hit the target, then we had one or two losing trades. Clear? Okay, so now let's move to the analysis part. So first we'll clear all the previous drawings. We'll shift to 1 day time frame, right? And as you can see, price is in uptrend, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So our bias is bullish on daily time frame. Now we'll be shifting to 4-hour time frame. Again, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. So scenario is still bullish on 1 hour also. Sorry, 4 hour. Now we'll shift to 1 hour time frame. Pick it from short term. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, lower low. Again another higher high, higher low. And now it seems like a lower high and it is preparing for a lower low. Anything is possible. So on 1 hour our bias is not pretty clear. So now 15 minutes time frame to make one or two major levels. So you mark your levels, I'll mark mine, then try to match whether you are able to match the same level or not. So one is very simple, this one only. Hello brother, how are you? Right, so this is the first major level for today. And second one I feel is this. Alright, so these two are the major levels. Now we'll shift to 5 minute time frame. So what I feel right now is this is an inverse head and shoulder and with a bullish engulfing candle. So I'm interested in opening a buying position. So I think we can open a buy position right now only. And this will be the stop loss. Let's keep this as the, and let's open the trade. This is a purely bullish pattern, right? So I'm opening the buying position for today, keeping 14 point stop loss. I'll open the position with point 3 lot, right? So we have opened the trade with point 0.3 lot size. Let's place the stop loss below this 16,888. So this is the stop loss. It was good, brother. It was a little hectic. So let me explain you the trade idea. This was our level. Our bias is not very much clear. So we have to wait for pattern, and we have got a pattern. What the pattern is? Inverse head and shoulder. And why I have taken the entry is because of this bullish engulfing candle, right? Now let's see how does market behaves. We have took the trade, we have placed the stop loss. Our job is over. Now we have to keep hands on hands and just see where market goes. All right. So those who have joined just now, let me explain you what we have done. We have simply made the analysis and we have got an inverse head and shoulder, that is a bullish pattern, and our bullish engulfing candle. So all the confluences are tick, and we have opened the position for a buy trade. Clear? And this is the position. Okay. So this is what happened in past few minutes. And still we are at entry point. If anyone is interested, he or she can open the position. If you have any doubts, any questions, you are free to ask. I would love to answer your questions, your doubts. And if you like the analysis, there's a thumbs up button on your screen. You can hit that. That will encourage me to bring more such sessions to you people. There's always a rule that you should never get demotivated after a loss or never get too much excited after a target. So from past 2 days we had 2 3 losing trades, but your mindset should not be disturbed because these things will be very regularly happening. I told you previously also that one trade, winning trade, was enough to bring all the losses that we had previously, right? So your mindset should always be cool, calm, and composed, and you should always be aware that what real trading means. In trading, there is nothing fixed. There's not fixed that every day you will get the return, every month you will get some return. It is fixed that yeah, every month 5%, every month 7%. No. On average, it should be good. On yearly, on quarterly, on 6 months, you should be good, right? So your mindset should be very cool and very composed. Hello, brother, how are you? Yes, absolutely. Our job is to wait and watch. One of us is saying, seeing forward to sell. Yeah, it's quite possible that it may fall and you may go right. As I keep on saying, that on a single chart, thousands of different analyses are possible. Every trader has his or her different viewpoint. Okay, I'm trading according to my viewpoint, you are trading according to your viewpoint. Some days you will be right, some days I'll be right. And what matters is how much we are losing when we are wrong and how much we are winning when we are right. That's it. That is trading. Very simple. It's not a revenge, it's not an ego based that I may, you know, have a challenge that no, my analysis. No. If any person is claiming that he or she has every time correct analysis, it's never possible. I have shown you some patterns also that works very regularly but still fails. So, in trading, each and everything is highly possible. You can't bet on anything, right? No pattern is 100% sure that when this pattern occurs, market will always go in your direction. Never. If someone is saying you like that, just stay away from that person. I'm giving you a very clear cut advice. Even if I say this thing anytime, stay away from me also. Okay? I am being that much clear to you because these things in trading are never possible. If it was such easy that seeing a simple pattern on chart every time it will go up, everyone can become a good trader. Then what's the role of mindset? No role. You will know that yeah, this pattern is forming, now it will go upside. That's it. Then where does mindset come? But as I say you, 90% role is of mindset. So mindset comes here only that when your pattern is working, you should earn good, and when your pattern is not working, you should lose small. This is simple trading. Find it, you will find it. It's available for sure. You have to add an instrument from an option, it's available there. If you're not able to get it, you can check it on YouTube. You will get how to add it. Absolutely, at the end, we should be profitable. All that is what matters. And as we have a $10,000 account and we are in plus till now, right, with a just 50% win rate. These things matter. If I start guaranteeing you that I'll provide 10%, 15% a month, no, that will be foolish, right? I'll be surely lying if I do something like that. So even if I start to say something like that, don't hesitate to stay away from me, because real trading doesn't have these things. There are no fixed targets, there are no fixed losses, right? I speak very directly. I don't like to give sugar coating to false sentences. Okay, the thing which is a fact, it is a fact. In trading, nothing is 100% and it is a fact. No one can deny this. But yeah, the person who is trading in his early career, he or she will deny that fact because you don't have enough experience. What you will feel, you will find some pattern, you will see it's working, and then you will feel confident, yeah, this pattern is enough and now I'll earn money. No, you will have days when your psychology will be disturbed. You have to push yourself up, you have to motivate yourself up, and to provide you clear direction that what really is trading, I am here, right? So that you don't get false hopes, you don't get false promises. You get to know that yeah, really trading is this only. You have to accept losses, you have to accept some mood swings, you have to learn how to manage your mood swings, right? When you are sitting on the screen, you are a different, completely different person. When you have entered a trade, your mind starts working completely differently. When you are in a trade, you start to overthink. That's why I always say trading is completely opposite to what the natural human mind is programmed. Exactly opposite to that. You will be tempted to do things which you should not even think of in trading, because your natural wiring in the brain is like this only. Your neurons are sensitized to that information. Yeah, it is good if you have enough confidence. But if you are starting your career and then you are thinking that you will clear three, my friend, be ready to lose all the three accounts. But if you are a confident trader, you are a profitable trader, you have a profitable back testing record, then you can go do whatever you want. No one can stop you. If you are starting it and getting your first funded challenge, then go with the least possible price, right? So that you lose the least possible amount. Anyone else want to ask any question regarding trading, regarding funded accounts, or regarding any other career perspective things or money perspective things? You are free to ask. Just consider me your younger or elder brother and you can ask me whatever you want. And I'll guide you through best of my knowledge. And if I don't have knowledge, I will not provide you any guidance or any false beliefs. I have gone through many ups and many downs. I have experiences of you know, many breakdowns, many things, clearing competitive exams, becoming a profitable trader. All these things take a lot of hard work. Let me tell you something. You won't believe me. When I was preparing for my postgraduate exam, right, for seeking the entry into the postgraduate medical college, I was not even having a single minute free in the day, right? For 8 9 months, I was just so dedicated, I can't even tell you. Even at the time of bathing, I used to listen podcasts of my lectures, right? I have decided the schedule for bathroom also. That in the washroom while bathing, I'll be daily studying that, and even if unavoidably I have to go to somewhere, right? I used to study in my mobile in the car also. So you need to have dedication to achieve things which others are not able to achieve. Don't worry, it's completely natural. When you will blow once your account, all this fear will go up. You know, when you have bought your first challenge and you place your first trade, it's always fearful. It was for me also. It will be for you also. It will be for everyone else also. Just don't think much. If you were earlier trading demo or anything like that, so don't, think much of it that it is a funded account or this or that. Simply trade what you are doing and just follow the rules. Overthinking always harms. Yes, I understand and I completely agree with you. It's possible, but it will go once when you start trading, right? It will not go by just seeing or thinking anything. It will go once you start taking one or two trades, all your fear will be gone out. And this is for everyone, brother. Demo trading is easy because your emotions are not in it. But when your emotions come into the play, things become different. So there's no news today. Yes, it happens. As I'm saying, it's completely natural. And it's the same with everyone else also. But once you will take one or two trades, all your fear will be gone. Then fear will come when you will be approaching the target of your funded account. If you do so, then again you will have a little fear, because this is a mind playing games with you. Let's keep our first target at 1 is to 1.5. If you are new, please analyze what I am providing. If you feel it's good, then don't hesitate to hit the like button. And if you're an old viewer, hit that thumbs up on the screen in front of you. I was thinking to have pyramiding, right? I was aiming that things will go more upside. That's why I took the risk. As per my experience, as per previous trades on the similar concept, I had an idea that today I'll trail the trade, right? But things didn't happen. These things will happen, brother, regularly. There will be days when you will be proved right on the same concept, right? And then you will make good money. But there will be days when you lose also, like yesterday. So I don't like to think much about these things. What happened yesterday was just finished yesterday. Now I don't have any disregards or any sadness of yesterday's trade. No. My whole concentration is on today's trade, that's it. Not thinking of any future or past. Yeah, sure, I'll tell you about lot sizes. Actually, it is a little different on every broker, but still there are some similarities. Don't worry, in the next session, I'll completely tell you things with complete notes, right? So that you are able to understand things very clearly. That completely depends on your stop loss points, right? How much is your stop loss point? It completely depends on that. So our trade is running. Let's see what happens. Are we on the right side or wrong side? All our confluences are ticked today, right? So it will not be our mistake if we hit the stop loss. It's our job to take the trade when you have all the confluences tick, right? I keep on repeating things that results are never in your hand. In your hand is to wait patiently and to execute perfectly. After that, whatever happens, leave it on the market. Yes, absolutely. It's okay. I'll be streaming for 1 hour. After that, if it hits target, I'll update tomorrow. The trade will be open with placing proper stop loss and target, right? So it has hit the stop loss, brother. It may be a liquidation sweep also, but it is what it is. Yeah, it feels like it is a liquidation sweep, but I will not be risking other amount because almost 1% we have lose. Okay, these things people sometimes say me that my stop loss is hit when I place the levels or when I place the trade. See, these things happen with me also. These things happen with everyone else also. If this goes now straight upwards, then it is what? Simply a liquidation sweep. Many people would be having stop loss below this, and it came to take those stop losses, and now it may shoot up also. It may fall down also. Everything is possible. But once we are proven wrong and we have lost that size according to our appetite, now we'll not be taking other trade. Even if it now hits target, then it's no use. Our stop loss is hit. So now our balance stands at 244. This is a losing trade today. We have lost $89. That completely depends on you. If you have time to trade Indian markets, it's also good. If you have time to trade Forex, then that's good. As on that time I am busy in my hospital work, I am not able to trade intraday on Indian markets. Plus in Indian markets you're not getting opportunity of funded accounts, right? No, now I will not open the position. I know it can go and hit the target, but our loss appetite for the day is over. You don't have to disturb psychology. These things will very regularly happen. So now don't think of taking another trade, right? Market is showing manipulation, then stay away. So I think let's close the session for today. And now it's a weekend. Enjoy your weekend. We'll meet again on Monday on the new year. So a very happy new year to everyone. This is the last session of 2023. It was a nice year. Let's meet in 2024. You can see it's 14 points, almost 13.6. In the next session, I'll teach you how lot sizes and everything is calculated. Don't worry. Then you will not have any confusion. Okay. So, okay, people, take care. Bye bye. Good night. Happy New Year once again. We'll see you all very soon. Your host, your friend, Dr. D.